What a great place to live and relax in Washington Township in Bergen County, New Jersey, in prestigious Washington Pond. Spacious layout and oversized rooms, including a family room with a custom wall unit and fireplace. A total of 3 bedrooms allows for use by anyone, whether a family or you are downsizing. The amenities are here as well, with a tranquil pond, recreation with walking trails, a tennis court, and a pool. And let's not forget the playground as well. The property is close to schools, shopping, transportation, and major highways. Don't miss this opportunity to live in sought-after Washington Township in Bergen County, New Jersey, located in the Pascack Valley.